In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get copyright-free music for your precious YouTube content. I understand how challenging it could be finding the right music for your content. In as much as you are just starting up, you are so careful that you wouldn't want to violate any of YouTube's policies. When you use a sound or music that you haven't gotten proper permission to use, it could lead to YouTube flagging down your content or even demonetizing that video once you enter the YouTube partnership program. So when you know all these, you are so careful not to be a victim. Enough of the long talk, let's get straight into the video. There are a lot of places you can get copyright-free sounds or music, but I'm just going to share with you some few platforms that I have used and I'm still using to get my copyright-free sounds and music for my YouTube videos. All right, so the first platform I'm going to talk about is YouTube itself. So YouTube has audio library that contains a wide range of free sounds and music for your content creation. So to access the audio library, you just have to come to YouTube and come and click on your channel avatar. Then you scroll to YouTube Studios. So you click on it. So once it opens, you're going to come to this side of your Creator Studio and come and click on Audio Library. And there you have a collection of songs to download for your YouTube videos. So you can just click on this play button to listen to the music. So if you listen to the music and you like it, you just come down here and click on download. The music will be downloaded onto your computer. You can also see the genre of the music, and then you can also hear we have the mood of the music and then the artist, duration of the music. You can also check the license type of the music to know whether that particular music demands attributes or not. You can as well use this search or filter library to find the title of a song, the genre, the mood, the artist name, the duration. You can also purposely search for songs that do or do not require attributes. So in the filter column, you can just decide the mood of the song you would want. So just come and click on mood and then hit on it to open. Then you have the options here, which include angry, bright, calm, dark, dramatic, funky, happy, inspirational, romantic, sad. So let's go for inspirational. I just click on it and then apply. So it's just going to give me a collection of inspirational music that I can download and use for my YouTube videos. You can just play any of them and listen to it to see if you like it. So once you are okay with a particular song, you just click on download and the music will be downloaded. And if you are the type that is more into sound effects, or you just would want a sound effect for a particular video of yours, you can just come and click on the sound effects column here, and then you get to see the collection of sound effects that are in this category. You can also filter the library of sound effects, or you just search the particular kind of sound effect you would want here. So you can see we have track title, we have the category, duration, and all those things. So when you click on it, you can see alarms, ambience, animals, cartoons, crowds, doors, emergency, foley, horror, and a whole lot. So whichever one you would want, you can just select it and then hit on apply. So that is it with YouTube Audio Library. Now, the second platform we are going to talk about is Pixabay. So just head over to your browser and open up Pixabay. So once it opens, this is how the interface looks like. With this particular platform, you can get resource materials ranging from pictures, music, and videos. If you want pictures, you just come and click on this explore option here and then select photos. So once it opens, these are the collection of pictures you would find, and you would have to give attributes to the creators or owners of some of these pictures, but quite a lot of them are free, so you can just go through them and see which one that you can use. But since this video is all about copyright free music and sounds, I wouldn't talk too much on pictures or videos on this particular platform. We are just going to come to the explore option, click on it, and then come and click on music. So once it opens, you just come and click on no copyright music, and then you have a collection of copyright free music for you to listen to them and download the one you would want. So you can just hit on this play button to listen to the song. If you like it, you come and click on download and the music will be downloaded. And then here you can actually donate to support the creator. This is not mandatory, but sometimes you might just feel like, appreciating the creator for, a good job done. So if you want to, you can just click on donate and then send whatever amount you would want to send as an appreciation to the creator. Okay, so the next platform we are going to talk about is Upbeat. Okay, so with Upbeat is not entirely free, but you would first of all have to sign up. And the good news is that you get up to 3 free downloads every month. You can also use the songs on your YouTube videos, and then you also get 30% of the catalog access. So if you are the type that you don't use so many music for your YouTube content, then the free plan of Upbeat will work perfectly for you. So I'm just going to sign up by clicking on sign up, then click on continue. So this is how the interface of Upbeat looks like. So you can just come to this trending column and then click on it. Then you would get to access premium music and then free music. At this side of the screen, you have the premium tracks, and then at this side of the screen, we have the free tracks. So you can just listen to it. So if you like it, you go ahead and click on download. You can just feel free to go through them, and then the one you like, you get to hit on download. But because I'm on the free plan, I get to download only 3 songs within a month. And this is the column for the sound effects, and these are also premium sound effects, and these are free sound effects. So you can just go through them, listen to them, get the one you want, then you come and hit on download. All right, so that is it with Upbeat as well. I probably should do an intensive video on Upbeat and Pixabay. Let me know in the comments if you would want me to make videos for those platforms. If you are just starting up your channel and you haven't gotten to 1,000 subscribers or even entered into the YouTube partnership program, I've made a video on how to earn on YouTube with less than 1,000 subscribers. The video should be up here for you to check it out if you haven't seen it. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.